So you have an appointment to catch up with, or you have a vacation you are going on, or probably a sporting activity that is coming up, and you do not want your period to interfere with these activities for any personal reasons, and you are here looking for ways to induce your period and get your period early. Well, I'm here for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 4 interesting and safe ways through which you can actually induce your period and get it early. Beautiful people, you are welcome back to the channel. Provided you are coming here for the first time, my name is Odunayo, and on this channel we discuss about women's health, we discuss about how to live healthy each day, we explore real life issues, and then we do a little bit of travel vlog and every other interesting things. Thanks for joining me today. So how do you induce your period without any side effects? Number one option is pineapple. Yes, pineapple is known to contain the enzyme bromelain, which actually is believed to interfere with estrogen and some other hormones in the woman's body, and this interference with these hormones causes the uterine to contract and shed its lining. So pineapple is actually a safe way to induce your period, and it is healthy. If you want to get your period early, you can consume a lot of pineapple after your ovulation period. This is why we tell women who are trying to conceive not to take pineapple after ovulation. Another option that you have is actually orgasm. Yes, you know, I said there are interesting options. Orgasm, much stronger than bromelain, is the combination of hormones that is produced during this activity and the uterine contraction that occurs during orgasm. This uterine contraction helps the uterus to actually expel or shed its lining. So orgasm also is another way through which you can induce your period if you are trying to get your period faster, and it is actually, of course, a safe method. Another safe method is actually to use the birth control pill. Now, a combination of the combination P actually can help you to control your period. You could actually use the birth control pill or the rings, but of course most of us use the birth control pill. So this birth control pill is hormonal, and it is known to contain estrogen and progestin, which are actually hormones, and you are meant to take this birth control pill for 21 days and then take a dummy pill, or generally stop the pill for 7 days. During these 7 days you can actually get your period. So how do you use this to control your period? All you just have to do is to stop taking your birth control pill earlier than 21 days. Probably you stop it at day 18, or you stop it at day 20, or you stop it at day 17. Anytime you stop it, about maybe 24 to 48 hours, you are going to get your period. But note, there is downside to this. If you do not take your birth control pill according to prescription, there's every tendency that you might get pregnant. Let me break this down. For your birth control pill to actually protect you from pregnancy, you have to take it for a complete cycle or complete 21 days, after which you stop. If you stop it earlier than 21 days, then it might not be as effective as when you complete the dosage. As simple as that. The fourth one that I'm going to go into quickly is exercise and relaxation. Exercise and relaxation. Gentle exercise loosens the muscle, helps the body to relax, and it will help you to start your period. I'm not talking about rigorous exercise here. I'm talking about exercises that are simple, taking a walk, having to jog, skipping, something gentle just to prep your body. This is known to have to actually help you to start your period, and also because stress has been implicated in irregular periods, and it actually could delay your period. If you are relaxed, you are not thinking, you do a simple yoga, meditation, you spend time with friends that are generally relaxed, your period is actually going to come. But remember that it is your body. Your body is not a computer that you can just turn on and turn off. But I I believe that these tips will actually help you to get your period if you are looking at getting your period earlier for any other personal reasons. In our next video, we'll be discussing about how to delay your period. Now today we are talking about how to start our period early. Next video we'll be talking about how do you delay your period. You don't want your period to come now, or for whatever personal reasons, then we'll be talking about how to delay our period. These 4 methods that I've also mentioned are not for women who are suffering from amenorrhea, or that is prolonged period delay or irregular period. I will make a separate video in future that will be addressing how to get your period early if you have irregular period or amenorrhea. But these 4 tips are just for women who have their periods regularly, but for certain things or for certain reasons, like I mentioned earlier, they want to go on a sport, they are going on a vacation that is coming up, or they have an appointment, and probably you do have menstrual pain. Periods sometimes can interfere with our day-to-day activities, and we might decide to just get it earlier because of activities that are coming up in future that you do not want to be on a period. Probably you experience a lot of period pain, you are just generally uncomfortable with your period, or it requires that you wear certain clothes that you know if you are not on your period you will not be able to wear, and you are looking also for ways to induce your period, then this video will definitely help you. For a way to encourage me or to say thank you for this information that I've given to you, just click on the thumbs up, that is the like button. Just like this video, or you drop a comment. You can also share it with your friends. It's just a way to encourage me and to also support this channel. Thank you for coming on here, and see you some other time. Bye bye. Oh my, am I alright?